Hi guys, I'm Dr. Sheetal. So in my clinical practice, many a times I have encountered mandibular premolars which are often difficult to treat. Few reasons are because of their deep split in the mandibular root canal leading to 3 or 2 canals in the apical region. Now to navigate and negotiate that, conventional or simple root canal techniques are not enough. Thereby I decided that I will get advanced backfill and sectioning instruments such as the FIP device from Woodpecker and the FIG device also from Woodpecker. Now FIP is the plugger, heated plugger technique, and FIG is the backfill technique. So I have received them finally, and let's start with the unboxing of FIP. So there are various plugger sizes available for the FIP starting from I think 30. However, in the pack they have a combo of 4 plugger sets. I had ordered one extra. This is the pen, the charger and the base mount. Now coming to the FIG, melting and filling instrument. Now both these devices come with their own warranty cards. Now this has a charger and a base as well. It also has a gun. With its own tips. So as you can see, I have the FIG device with me. So this device comes with 4 tips. They can be either 23 gauge or 25 gauge and lengths are 24 or 28 mm. As you can see, there is also a yellow sleeve. This is a heat insulation sleeve. I have inserted one of the needles already into the device. However, before inserting it, the company has given a wrench. So you need to bend the needle according to this wrench and not bend it manually with your finger. Now after insertion of the needle and the sleeve, we need to insert this spindle. So this spindle will be helpful in shooting the gun into the root canal. Before that, we also need to order these Gataparcha pellets. Now once these are inserted, once these are inserted into it, the trigger of the gun will help to propel the Gataparcha and also heat it. There is also a heat protection sleeve here. Now let me turn on this device. It is turned on by a long press. Yes. Let's see how it works. We need to let it heat till 150 degrees or more than that. Once you pull the trigger, you need to apply pressure and there will be some Gataparcha coming. So you need to apply it at a constant place for the loading of the Gataparcha into the canal. Now these devices I got upon the recommendation of many colleagues from Endo Haveli Global Dental Forum. So there I could put up a question and I got honest reviews about this device. So this device is economical as well as very practical. As endodontists, we need to be one step further. So these devices, that is Downpack and backfill would really help us to negotiate and maneuver different types of root canals. So hoping that I would succeed in my future complicated root canals with these devices. Bye.